when I see extremely rich people, I don't like it. You know, I read on my news every day, Mrs. Trump has got a $5,000 item, a dress on her. I work for $10 and it does piss me off, okay? You know, that inequality in the world is annoying. And that's why we had the French Revolution, just because of that, you know? My name is Robert Raymond Faury. I'm gonna be 81 in April the 14th. Knowledge in my business is money. So therefore, having done this for 38 years, I still find excitement in doing what I'm doing. I used to collect Maxfield Parrish prints when I was in college, and I would come to my bedroom, they were all around, naked women, of course, and I would enjoy there was a rapport between me and the painting and the print, and that's why people like to collect, because you need that as a human being, you know? So, and the collection has been done since the beginning of time. They collect shells, they collect stone, they carve the stone, you know. I decided to open an antique store out of nowhere. I went on the yellow page, there was no antique store, so I figured, well, this is a niche that I could create for myself. We are in Taos, New Mexico, in my shop, which I opened in 1982. It went up and up and up and up in terms of revenue, reputation, etc., etc. And a few years ago, the new generation do not care about antiques. They are gadget people, that's what I call them. So it has affected the business tremendously, and the drop in sales, as well as a number of customers, etc., in the antique world is a worldwide phenomenon. It's not just me, it's all over. And I'm trying to sell the shop, and the reason I cannot sell the shop, the people who want to buy it don't have the knowledge. What is this? What is that? Like the French, I will tell you, I was in Paris, I walk into that antique store, everything was Louis XIV. Okay? He knew that Louis XIV was taking a doo-doo at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, July the 14th, 1750 and some, but he didn't know anything else. And the reason my shop is so special, I have military, I have religious, I have medical, I have books. I try to cater to all the market. Not just, one area. I do everything. And to me, when I purchase, the object matters, not where it comes from. So I see an item, I say, it's different. That's the excitement.